What's going on, guys? Back with another vlog, but this time it's gonna be a truck vlog. I don't know if you consider this a overhaul, renovation, or what, but that's my '06 F150 4x4 Super Cab. And this right here is my '04 F150. It's just a two-wheel drive. Don't mind my shark bite, what Cam called it. But this is my '04. I did a little upgrade to it when I got it. But yeah, we're gonna do a little comparison on these trucks. And I'm gonna tell you how I found this truck right here. All right, guys. So first, I'm gonna tell y'all how I found this truck, the blue truck. I seen it sitting at this guy's shop one day. But it's been sitting up there for a while, at least for like a year, year and a half, I want to say. But just so happened one day I passed by, and I could have sworn I seen a for sale sign in the truck with big bright orange letters. Y'all know how a for sale sign look, and it said call this number. But in actuality, there wasn't a for sale sign in the truck. So I talked to the guy. I said, that truck for sale? He was like, yeah. He said, how much you give me for it? Oh, well, I can't put no price on y'all stuff. I said, how much you want for it? So he told me how much the guy wanted for it. But he was like, I'm see, can I talk him down? But he didn't know who I was at the time, right? All right. So I got home. I texted him and he called me. Cause he was like, I can't even remember phone numbers. He was like, so I'll just give you a call. You the one that asked me about the blue Ford truck, right? So I'm like, yeah, that's me. He was like, okay. He said I talked to the guy and he said he'll go down on it, but not much. I'm like, okay, cool. He was like, I'm gonna call you right back. So he ain't called back. So the next day I had my dad with me. We stopped by the shop. So come to find out, the guy that's the shop that the truck was at, the guy and my dad worked together. So he was like, preacher. My dad, what's going on, preacher? He said, man, I ain't seen you in years. All right, so long story short, he said, now I know who you is. He's you gonna get that truck. He's watching see. He's gonna get that truck. He said, so many people been coming back here saying that they want that truck, but they never came back. He said, but that truck yours. He said, mark my word. All right, about a week passed. I called him. He was like, yeah, he'll take that amount. So I went by there, paid him. He gave me the title. So that's why I was like, God working mysterious ways. That's why I said this truck was meant for me. Because it really wasn't no for sale sign in this truck. No, just God telling me, go ahead and step out on faith, ask me this for sale. And if it is, it's yours. So they just go with the show. Don't be afraid to ask people about stuff. But I'm just gonna give y'all a little rundown on it. It's an '06 F150 4x4, 5.4 train, 3 valve. So I talked to a guy. So come to find out the truck needs a motor. So I got on Facebook and asked for recommendations on people that rebuild motors. And I did a video, which I insert that clip. I did a video for a guy to let him see how it sounds. He was like, man, if your best bet is to go ahead and get a new motor. He said, cause if you get that rebuilt, he said it'll probably last like 20 to 30,000 miles. And you're gonna have the same problem again. Okay. So I asked him, did he know somebody? He was like, yeah. He said, I know a guy. So the guy got in contact with me. I asked him what's his price to install a new, remanufactured motor. For me, that's better than a used motor. He said all I gotta do is get the truck over there to him, which that's what I'm gonna do one of these days. I ain't in no hurry because, like I said, I got my red truck. It's still running good. That's my everyday truck. But I always have one on a 4x4. And also, when you're talking to God, make sure you specific in what you want. I said I wanted a 4x4 truck, but I don't think I was too clear about how I wanted it. He gave me a 4x4 truck, but it needed a little work. I didn't say give me a 4x4 truck that I can, drive every day. It is running, but I can't drive it. So it's all good. I got me a 4x4 truck, and now I'm just waiting. Now I'm just waiting for to take it over to the guy You know, he talked to me and everything. And then on top of that, he gave me a military discount, which, you know, he didn't have to do, but he did. They helped out a whole lot. But yeah, I'm finna give y'all a little rundown on it, let y'all see it. So y'all give me a second. So y'all can see I am gonna have to get a new windshield. Thinking about getting a new fender, but more than likely I can get that bent out. Like I said, parts for this truck not high. 5.4 tri. Got a little damage down here, right here, which look like they tried to bundle it or whatever. But like I said, this truck is really not in rough shape. Like, I'm gonna change the badges and everything on it. Has nice rims on it, but I'm probably gonna get some more aggressive tires. I'm gonna pressure wash this truck bed, and also I'm gonna do a spray in bed liner. Take that toolbox out, put in a new third brake light. I just got this tailgate to open the other day. I guess it hasn't been open in a while, so I opened it up, sprayed some WD-40 on it. Now you can see that it opens fine. Really not any damage on this side right here. But like I said, I'm gonna get a new tail light put in. I'm pretty much gonna change all the lights out. New decals, you know, shocks, struts, everything. What you call them? Like rain deflectors. Get some more of them. I'm gonna tint the windows, which I might go ahead and do. I used to tint windows, so I might go ahead and do that. I don't know what percent I want to go with. So y'all comment down below and let me know. I'm gonna change the headlights, new grill, you know, pretty much everything. Just do a total upgrade on it, which is not a bad truck, like I said. And I can open the door for y'all. I'm gonna have to clean the inside. So whoever had, I don't know if they was a mechanic or they just stayed dirty, but you can see a little crusty. So I'm gonna get some seat covers and everything, which I have been out here working on it. Getting these doors open, spraying them down with WD-40. I peeled the tint off of it, but it does start up. I can let y'all hear it. Let me find the key. It will start up. But the only thing about it, you see, it's in park. It won't start. Watch this. Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral and start right up. Let y'all hear the engine. Y'all hear that? So that's why I need a new engine. But other than that, like I said, pretty good truck, good body. Got a couple of dings on it, but that ain't nothing. I'm putting a new radio in it. Hey, we're gonna be good to ride, baby. So yeah, I got this truck at a steal. My wife and baby, that's a good deal for that truck. Good deal. But when she first seen it, she like, But hey, like I said, I wanted a 4x4. I wasn't specific on I want to be able to drive it, but hey, it is what it is. That's it. But this right here, this is my baby. Big Red. See, her bed is longer than that one, which I don't mind. I want to say that's like a 5 foot or a 6 foot bed. And this right here is like no, this right here got to be like a 6 or an 8. That has to be a 5. Well, I tell you what, let's do this. We're going to do this right here. 6'8". Let's see what this one is. This one is 5 feet. Like I thought. But it's really, yeah, 5 feet 8 inches. So this bed is shorter than that bed right there, which ain't no big deal. I like it. It make it look aggressive or whatever. But I can't wait to start working on it. I'm gonna do a spray-in bed liner, like I said. Take the toolbox out because it defeats the purpose of being a toolbox. The top part is separated, but I probably can fix it. But who knows? I don't know. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I might fix it, might not. But yeah. And this one right here, I got this truck back in, I want to say 19 or 2020. One of the two. Look. Trying to build a nest somewhere. But yeah, this been my everyday work truck. I tinted the windows on this truck, so I know I can do it on my blue truck. I changed the badges on this truck to red and black, which everything goes good. Put a new grill in it. I put new headlights in it and seat covers. This truck never gave me any problems. This is a 04, my everyday work truck, hunt truck, fishing truck. I put these seat covers in it, which I might do the same thing on my blue truck, but probably a different camo pattern. But yeah, it's gonna be warm outside today. I can feel that already. But yeah, these are my babies. Two nice trucks. All y'all Ford people, reach out, give me some ideas or whatever. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I got two nice trucks, 06, 04, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Never had any problems out of my 2-wheel drive. I had some 35s on this truck. I think it was 35. They were 20 inches, but I think they were 35 by. I really can't remember. I insert a picture of how I had it looking before I took those wheels off and sold them. And this one, I might just keep those rims and go with some more aggressive tires on it. Might do a different color on the tow hooks. Might paint them the same color as the truck. What I plan on doing, I don't know if y'all ever heard of dip your car. If y'all haven't, look them up. They got all different color dips that you can do. Put different flakes in the gloss and everything. But I'm thinking I might keep this color and, go back with it. Or if not, I'm going to pick a different color. I haven't decided yet. I know Cam was telling me to go with a different color. But I don't know yet. I really don't know. I'm going to change the mirrors on them. Just do some upgrade. Just do a little upgrade on it. But yeah, if y'all like these trucks, into these trucks or whatever, and I know people used to say that 5.4 motors are, no good, but I just think it all depends on how you take care of your vehicle, keep the oil change, tune ups, different stuff like that. But now my red truck, it was a time that I probably went like 2 summers without changing the oil, and it let me know. I got to a stop sign one day and it just cut off. So I went by AutoZone and had them put it on the machine. And the guy was like, "Man, when last time you changed your oil?" I said, "Ooh, probably like last summer or something like that." He said, "That's what it is." Because it gave a reading that something wasn't reading the oil pressure correctly, and it made it want to cut off whenever I came to a stop. But yeah, that wasn't a big problem. Changed the oil in that. I haven't had that problem anymore. The only other thing was I got stuck one time and my dad was pulling me out, and we didn't realize that the tow rope had wrapped around the power steering pump line, and it pulled it away from the power steering pump. But that wasn't a big deal. I fixed that myself. like I said, a lot of stuff I do myself, you know, to save money and everything. But yeah, that's my truck. Give y'all a little background on it. I hope y'all stay tuned for the episodes to come on my truck bill, my little project. Hey, might well be a project paid off. Can't ask no other way to do it. It's gonna be nice though. Gonna look like a brand new truck when I finish. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the Blackburn's Ever After channel or the Blackburn's Renovation. I mean, it is kind of like a renovation. You think about it, right? So yeah, we'll decide what channel we want to put it on. So I don't know yet, but whatever channel we're gonna put it on, I'm gonna break it down into episodes. Let y'all know what I do step by step. Give y'all the price breakdown on it. You know, if y'all got any recommendations on like different parts or anything like that I can use, just let me know. Like I said, all the truck guys, y'all reach out, comment down below, email me, let me know. So yeah, pretty excited to get the ball rolling. But first thing first, you gotta get a new heartbeat. And the guy said, he said, all you gotta do, just bring me the truck. He's not handling everything else. I said, so y'all even order the motor? He was like, yeah, everything. I was like, okay. Get the fluids, spark plugs, freon, oil, everything. So I think I'm gonna stick with him because no one else reached back out to me. And I asked a couple of guys, but I haven't heard anything. So for now, he has the job. He got a good price. Like I said, he worked with me, gave me a discount and everything. So we're gonna stick with him. So y'all stay tuned.